how to use One4All gift card at store. So here's what you want to do, step-by-step guide. First, you will need to check the balance. You can visit the official website or call the number on the back of the card to check your balance. And then the second step will be choosing a participating retailer. One4All gift cards can only be used at participating stores, and you can find a list of the participating retailers on the One4All website. Once you are done shopping, you will present the card at checkout. At the cashier, let them know that you're paying with a One4All gift card, and you will just hand over the card like a normal debit or credit card. You can enter the PIN if that is required of you, or you have to. Some retailers may require a PIN, which can be found on the back of the card under the scratch panel. If asked, you will need to enter the PIN at the card reader. Use the full or partial balance. If your purchase is more than the card's balance, pay the remaining amount with another payment method. If the purchase is less, the remaining balance stays on the card for future use. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.